What's going on with the truckers? So the People's Convoy is going back to California. So please introduce yourself.
My name's Stan, and I go by Saznak.
They are calling this the People's Convoy. Let freedom roll. Basically, they say that they have not abandoned the People's Convoy. They're actually going back to fight 10 bills that the convoy objects that are very bad for truck drivers and the rest of America and freedom. I'm going to put those lists down below, but this video is just to let you know that they are leaving Washington, D.C. in Hagerstown, Maryland area. So, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts about this. Definitely, some people said that it was for nothing. Other people said that it was beautiful and it brought people together. What were your thoughts? Comment down below.